Welcome back to the channel. My name is Mike, and in this video I'm going to show you how I make a quick snack for Passover. I'm not Jewish, my girlfriend is. I'm lazy actually, so that's why I decided to just make this. I'm not entirely sure how it's going to taste, but I'm going to try it, and if it totally sucks then I probably won't post this video. Also, pardon my appearance. I know I look like shit. I gotta shave like my neck beard. I know. I just farted like right in her face and she's not happy about it. Okay, so anyway, back to the recipe. Back to the delicious recipe. Preheat the oven to 175. Step 1, lay down your matzah. Sorry, step 1.5. Step 1 is fart in your girl's face. Ew. The knife kind of worked a little bit better. I mean, it definitely works better, but not perfect, but definitely better. Step 2, lay out your chocolate. So these look like they're starting to sweat a little bit. So now I will try to, I guess, just take the back of a spoon and try to spread them around. I really don't know what I'm doing. Ooh, that worked. This is working. Probably should have used more chocolate, but this is definitely working. I saw one recipe online where someone used dried fruit, dried raspberries, and I thought that was pretty interesting. And truthfully, I thought maybe I would add caramel. I thought like pistachios would be good because it would give it some texture and some salt, which I thought would be good. And then I was thinking about maybe just adding caramel and doing like a salted caramel one. But I was thinking maybe it would be nice to add some kind of brightness to this. And I think the fruit in that one recipe I saw would really do that. Honestly, maybe it would be good to even crush these nuts a little, break them up a bit, but it is what it is. I feel like I'm trying to do this and just like sprinkle them on, but I think I really need to almost be strategical with how I place them and place them with purpose, because the distribution is just not ideal right now. I think the salt helps keep it moist a bit. Could have crushed the pistachios for sure. Okay, so the matzo snacks were pretty good, pretty solid. I do think that they probably could actually benefit from some fruit or maybe some little bit of lightness to it. I don't know what that could be, but a little bit of fruitiness could be good. I wonder if like lemon juice, if you put lemon juice on them, if that would be good, or if that would just be insane. Or if it would even work, because it would just, I don't know. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, pretend like I didn't just try to commit to these so I could eat a bunch of chocolate.